morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Raspberry Government Adersho Women's College. Today we are going to read SSC 2022 examination. Today we are going to read Higher Secondary Certificate Examination 2022. English first paper, short syllabus according to the revised syllabus of NCTB. Today we are reading Unit 12. Title of the Unit 12, Environment and Nature. Title of Unit 12, Environment and Nature. And Lesson 4, subtitle, Threats to Tigers of Mangrove Forest. Threats to tigers of mangrove forest. ম্যাংগ্রোভ উপকূলীয়, ম্যাংগ্রোভ অর্থ উপকূলীয় বনাঞ্চলে বাঘের প্রতি হুমকি। Now let us go to the synopsis or সারাংশ of the passage. The mangrove forests of the Sundarban is the only habitat for the Royal Bengal tigers. The mangrove forests of Sundarban is the only habitat for the Royal Bengal tigers, but this forest is disappearing first due to erosion, rising sea levels and storm surges. Thus, it poses a question mark over the future of Royal Bengal tiger, an endangered species. Rapid deterioration in mangrove health is causing as much as 200 meters of vegetation rich coast to disappear annually. If this continues, the tiger population in the Sundarban will be at stake. The Sundarban is a critical tiger habitat, one of only handful remaining forests is big enough to hold several hundreds tigers. To lose the Sundarbans would be to move a step closer to the extinction of these majestic animals. So we should take steps to save the Sundarbans both for majestic animal and for the men living around it. Let us go to the সারাংশ। ম্যাংগ্রোভ উপকূলীয় বনাঞ্চলে বাঘের প্রতি হুমকি। সুন্দরবনের ম্যাংগ্রোভ বনাঞ্চল রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগারদের একমাত্র বাসস্থান, কিন্তু এই বনটি ক্ষয়, সমুদ্র সীমার উচ্চতা বৃদ্ধি ও জলোচ্ছ্বাস ইত্যাদি কারণে দ্রুত ধ্বংস হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তাই এই বিপন্ন প্রজাতির রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগার এর ভবিষ্যৎ নিয়ে প্রশ্নের জন্ম দিয়েছে। ম্যানগ্রোভের এই দ্রুত অবনতি বছরে 200 মিটার পর্যন্ত গাছপালার সমৃদ্ধ উপকূল অদৃশ্য করে দিচ্ছে। যদিও এই অবস্থা অব্যাহত থাকে, তাহলে সুন্দরবনের বাঘ ঝুঁকির মধ্যে পড়বে। সুন্দরবন হচ্ছে বাঘের একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ আবাসস্থল। কয়েকশত বাঘ ধারণ করার মতো বড় গুটি কয়েক অবশিষ্ট বনগুলির একটি। সুন্দরবনের ধ্বংস এইসব রাজকীয় প্রাণীদের বিলুপ্তির দিকে এক ধাপ এগিয়ে যাওয়া। তাই এই রাজস্বিক প্রাণী ও এর চারপাশের বাস করা মানুষদের জন্য আমাদের সুন্দরবনকে রক্ষা করার জন্য পদক্ষেপ নেওয়া দরকার। ওয়ার্ম আপ অ্যাক্টিভিটি। ওয়ার্ম আপ অ্যাক্টিভিটি, প্রস্তুতিমূলক কাজ। Spend a few minutes writing down all the different words you associate with tigers. Share your words with your friends and talk about them. Together, put the words into categories. The following words are associated with tigers: forest, majestic look, carnivorous, hunter, strong and stout skull, flesh, silently stacked, powerful jaws, large padded feet, cage in the zoo, deer, monkey, hind legs longer than front legs. Share your notes with those of your friend and tell the class about your thoughts and points. Where do the Royal Bengal tigers live? Question number 1. Where do the student want? First question. Where do the Royal Bengal tigers live? Student 2. Answer. They live in the mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. তারা সুন্দরবনের উপকূলীয় বনাঞ্চলে বাস করে। হ্যাভ ইউ ইভার সিন এ রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগার? ওয়ার? তুমি কি কখনো রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগার দেখেছো? ইয়েস, I have seen at Mirpur Zoo in Dhaka. How does it look? Question. Student question 1. It looks majestic with a strong and stout skill. বলিষ্ঠ মজবুত মাথার খুলি সহ এটা দেখতে রাজসিক। Student 1. What more do you know about its physical feature? এর দৈহিক বৈশিষ্ট্য সম্পর্কে কি জানো? It has powerful jaws, large padded feet, and walks silently. What is its nature? It is ferocious, nocturnal, speedy, and hunter, etc. Student, what does it live on? এটা কি খেয়ে বাসে? ইট ইজ এ কার্নিভোরাস অ্যানিমেল অ্যান্ড লিভস অন ফ্লেশ। এটা মাংসাশী প্রাণী এবং গোস্ত খেয়ে বাসে। ক্যান ইউ সে সামথিং ডিফারেন্ট ওয়ার্ডস অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড উইথ টাইগার্স? বাঘ সম্পর্কিত কিছু ব্যতিক্রম শব্দ তুমি বলতে পারো কি? ও ইয়েস, বিউটিফুল অ্যান্ড এন্ডেঞ্জার্ড। সুন্দর কিন্তু বিপদগ্রস্ত, ভয়ঙ্কর। Read the report on the alarming fate of the Royal Bengal tigers and answer the question below. The report was published in the online version of the Guardian newspaper. রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগারের ভয়ঙ্কর ত্রাসজনক ভাগ্যের প্রতিবেদনটি পড়ো এবং নিচের প্রশ্নগুলির উত্তর দাও। প্রতিবেদনটি গার্ডিয়ান পত্রিকার অনলাইন সংস্করণে ভাষান্তরে অনুদিত হয়েছিল। টেক্সট: এ ভাস্ট ম্যানগ্রোভ ফরেস্ট শেয়ার্ড বাই বাংলাদেশ অ্যান্ড ইন্ডিয়া দ্যাট ইজ হোম টু পসিবলি 500 Bengal Royal Bengal tigers is being rapidly destroyed by erosion, rising sea levels and storm surges. According to a major study by researchers at the Zoological Society of London and others, The Sundarban's forest took the brunt of super cyclone Sidor in 2007, but now satellite studies show that 71% of the forested coastline is retreating by as much as 200 meters a year. If erosion continues at this pace, already threatened tiger populations living in the forests will be put further at risk. Natalie Petrelli, Natalie Petrelli, one of the reports reports authors said coastline repeat is evident everywhere. A continuing rate of retreat would see these parts of the mangrove disappear within 50 years. On the Indian side of the Sundarbans, the island which extends most into the Bay of Bengal has recorded by an average of 150 meters a year, within a maximum of just over 200 meters. This would see the disappearance of island in about 20 years. The Sundarban is known for vanishing islands, but scientists said the current threat of the mangrove forests on the southern coastline is not normal. The causes of increasing coastline retreat, other than direct anthropogenic ones, include increased frequency of storm surges and other extreme natural events, rises in sea level, and increased salinity, which increase the vulnerability of mangroves, said Petrelli. Our results indicate a rapidly retreating coastline that cannot be accounted for by the regular dynamics of the Sundarbans. Degradation is happening fast, weakening the natural shield for India and Bangladesh. As human development thrives and global temperature continues to rise, natural protection from tidal waves and cyclone is being degraded at alarming rates. This will inevitably lead to species loss in the richly biodiverse part of the world. If nothing is done to stop it, the Sundarbans is critical tiger habitat. One of only a handful of remaining forests big enough to hold several hundred tigers. To lose the Sundarbans would be a move to step closer to the extinction of these majestic animals, said JSI, Zoological Survey of London, tigers expert Sarah Christie. Take in pairs about tigers. Talk in pairs about tigers. Use the question cards below to guide your discussion. Student A and B will have separate question cards. Make sure you don't show your question to your friend. Do you like tigers? Do you like tigers? how interested are you in the animal conservation? If the tigers disappears, what this say about mankind? Are there any animals besides the tiger that are endangered in Bangladesh? What do you think of the tiger? There are only 300 tigers in the whole Bangladesh. What do you think of the fact? Whose responsibility do you think is to save the tiger? Students A. Do you like tigers? Student B. Yes, I like tigers, but they are ferocious. Do you think it is possible for all big cats to become extinct? Student B. No, I don't think so. That all the big cats can become extinct. How interested are you in animal conservation? Student B. I am very much interested in animal conservation. Do you think it is possible to breed enough tigers and introduce them in the wild? তুমি কি মনে করো ব্যাপক সংখ্যার বাঘ উৎপাদন এবং তাদেরকে বনে উপস্থাপন করা সম্ভব? Yes, I think it is possible to breed enough tigers and introduce them in the wild. If the tiger disappears, what will this say about mankind? Student B. If the tiger disappears, this will definitely tell about man's irresponsibility for maintaining ecological balance. However, what do you think of poaching? বেআইনিভাবে পশু ধরা এর জন্য অন্যতম দায়ী। I think poaching needs heavy punishment because it is destroying one of the most majestic animal species of the world. If the tigers disappears, this will definitely tell about man's irresponsibility for maintaining ecological balance. However, what do you think of poaching? I think poaching needs heavy punishment because it is destroying one of the most majestic animal species of the world. Are there any animals besides the tiger that are endangered in Bangladesh? Students B. Yes. Besides the tiger, there are other animals like deer, monkey, fox, crocodile, etc. that are endangered in Bangladesh. What punishment should be given to people who trade in products made from endangered society? Student A. The people who trade in products made from endangered species should be given capital punishment. মৃত্যুদণ্ড। What do you think that there are only 300 tigers in the whole Bangladesh? I think this figure depicts the real picture of endangered tigers in Bangladesh. If you saw tiger products for sale, what would you do? I think this figure depicts the real picture of endangered tigers in Bangladesh. If I saw any person selling products made from tiger, I would hand him over to the law enforcing agency authority for punishment. Whose responsibility do you think it is to save the tiger? I think it is the responsibility of the government and the people to save tiger from extinction. How can the world stop the trade in tiger products. The world can stop tiger products by punishing the poachers. Tiger survey. In pairs, groups makes question about saving tigers and other animals from extinction and do the following. Ask other classmates your question and note down their feelings. Make a mini presentation to the group of your findings. What should the government do to save tigers? বাঘ রক্ষার জন্য সরকারের কী করা উচিত? The government should make safe habitats. The government should make safe habitats for them. He should also pass strict laws against illegal hunting of tigers and implement the laws strictly. What should people do to save the species? People should come forward to help the government to make their steps successful. Question. Student 1. What should the government do to save the tigers? The government should protect their natural habits. What should the common people do? The common people should help the government. The government should protect the natural habitats of tigers. The government should implement laws against illegal hunting. People should be made aware of the importance of saving tigers. This is the findings. Tiger survey findings. বাঘ জরিপের ফলাফল. Let us repeat it again. The government should protect the natural habitats of tigers. The government should implement laws against illegal hunting. Number 3. People should be made aware about the importance of saving tigers. These are the findings of the passage. Okay, thank you everybody.